Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore credit readiness for investor financing using Experian, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore credit readiness for investor financing using Experian, begin by gathering your financial documents. Collect your recent credit reports from all three major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Focus on your Experian report, as it's crucial for this process. Log into your Experian account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, access your credit report. Review your personal information for accuracy. Make sure your name, address, and social security number are correct. Identify any negative items on your report, such as late payments or collections. Take note of the dates and details of these negative entries. Next, consider focusing on those with the most significant impact on your score. If you find errors, file a dispute directly through Experian's platform. Provide any necessary documentation to support your dispute. Allow Experian time to investigate the inaccuracies. While waiting, evaluate your current credit utilization. Lowering your credit utilization ratio can positively affect your score. Aim to keep your usage below 30% of your total available credit. Make timely payments on all your current accounts moving forward. Set reminders or automate payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Consider applying for a secured credit card to rebuild your credit. Use this card responsibly, keeping your balances low and paying in full each month. After 6 months to a year of positive credit behavior, check your credit score on Experian again. Monitor any improvements and continue to practice good credit habits. As your score rises, you'll enhance your credit readiness for investor financing. Lastly, maintain ongoing vigilance over your credit by checking your report regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.